long did it take for you to say yes to Khatron Ke Khiladi?
Not very long actually. I did have my reservations initially because I didn't know whether I'm physically fit for this show. But I've been working hard for it, and I am challenging myself that I have to do this.
Just look at this.
Okay.
So you're working out. What exactly have you been doing?
Mostly I've been into a lot of cardio, a lot of exercises using the body weight itself, yoga, swimming, and I hope that this will be enough because I haven't had too much time to prepare, but I hope it will be enough.
When are you guys leaving for Cape Town?
We're leaving in 2 days.
Leaving in 2 days of plan. So what is your biggest fear right now?
I don't know what my fear is. It's something that I obviously nobody wants to discover the fear, but because ये show ऐसा है, I think I will get to know what it is while we're doing the stunts.
What do you think is your strength?
My strength is my planning and my mind, which will help me get over a lot of things. Because my body might not be able to take it, but my mind will be able to, and which is how I'll push myself for it.
So are you creeped out at all by any of those insects and things like that? Or you have
Not that I know
have you
of.
seen the last season?
Parts of it.
Did any of that freak you out?
Not really, no. But again, देखने में और जो आपके ऊपर है, it's a different thing altogether. So,
Okay. So if you had to make Rohit Shetty do a task, what would it be?
what would you make him do that he hasn't done already? वो भी तो एक बहुत बड़ा सवाल है. I'm sure he's pretty much done all the stunts, but I would give him the task of making a film जिसमें एक भी गाड़ी नहीं उड़ती.
I think that would be
That
tough
would be
for
a
him.
task. Yeah.
Okay. So what are you packing for Cape Town? What are you taking with you?
Pretty good shoes actually. That's I think is going to be very important. A lot of good, comfortable wear because stunts एक बात है, and if I'm trying to do stunts in jeans, that's like the wrong thing to do. So I think comfortable clothing, very good shoes. I'm packing my camera because I want to see the place. I want to really enjoy myself. A lot of warm clothes जो बॉम्बे में पहनने को नहीं मिलता है. But I think South Africa में right now the weather is anywhere between 15 to 24. So that is going to be good. And the longer we stay, the colder it's going to become.
True that. So have you decided, as in if you have to back out from one task, I mean, would you do that or would you still brace yourself and do it and give it a shot, whether you get eliminated or not?
नहीं, if elimination has to happen, then might as well go for it, I guess. Because rather than back out saying कि नहीं मुझे तो वैसे भी बाहर ही जाना है, तो why do this stunt? I think if you're getting an opportunity, it's a challenge at the end of the day, right? Irrespective of whether उसके आगे there's a prize or not, I guess it's better to do it than to just leave it.
I mean, considering you're a singer, you do know that Rohit Shetty is going to make you sing quite a lot of times, right?
That's so I'm very bad with situation based songs, so I just hope कि वो ये ना कहें कि अच्छा चलो अभी ये हो रहा है तो गाना गा, अच्छा चलो वो गा, like whatever comes organically, I think that is best for me.
Cool. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks.